Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to download TikTok video. Begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your TikTok, then tap on the share icon of the video, search for the desired video you want to download, tap on the share icon. At the bottom right corner you can see tap if you tap on it, there you can see the option of save video. If you tap on it, your video will be downloaded directly to your gallery. Video saved like this. If you want to save your own video, what you can do is go to your profile and then tap on the three dot icon, then tap on save. Here you can see the option of arrow pointing down. Tap on it, it will download your photos or videos that you have posted. Photos saved like this. Your photos or videos, you can download it from TikTok. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.